Hi, what's up everybody? Today we're going to work on our addition. So this is like grade 1 addition. Sometimes in grade 2 you'll revisit that again. So if this is something you're doing at school at the moment and you need a little help, then watch the video. Alright, so we're going to do these questions like this. I'm going to show you the question. You can try and answer it in your head or on paper. I'll give you maybe 3 seconds to answer each question so that it's not too short, but it's not too long. And each time I'll explain to you like what a quick strategy to get the answer is. So let's get started. Okay, so plus means I have to put them together and add them. 8 plus 1. What do you think? Yes, if you got 9, that's the right answer. So 8 plus 1 is 9. You can always think about the number after 8. So when you want to add 1 to a number, you just think about the number that comes after that. So if I said like, what's 12 plus 1? You think, oh, okay, well, 12 plus 1 is just 13 because the number after 12 is 13. So that's pretty okay, right? 3 plus 4, so 3 add 4. So I can count on from 4 and I can add the smaller number. So we're going to use counting on for today. So 4, and then I can add 3 more, 5, 6, 7. That's 3, right? 5, 6, 7. So there you go. Okay, so for the next one, 2 plus 6. You go ahead. All right, so 2 plus 6. Start from 6 and counting on 7, 8. That's 2 more, right? So counting on using the big number. 0 plus 5. Okay, 0 plus 5. I start from 5. That's actually super easy because if I've got 5 and I'm adding nothing to it, well, I still have 5. So I'm just going to say 5 plus 0 is 5. So always take the big number first. So 5 plus nothing is just 5. Okay, getting into some harder ones here. 10 plus 9. So this is more like grade 2 stuff. Okay, so 10 plus 9. Well, I need to line up the 1s with the 1s and the 10s with the 10s. So in my units here, I have 0 and I have 9. Well, 9 plus 0, we just did that with the 5. 9 plus 0 is just 9. And then 1 plus 0, because there's 0 in the 10s here, well, that's just 1. So if you manage to figure that out, well done. I'll give you a little bit of time on the next one. 10 plus 3, try it out. 10 plus 3. Okay, so I start with my 1s here. 3 plus 0, so 3 plus 0 is 3. And then my 10s, 1 plus 0 is 1. So that's 13. And you can always count on. You can go 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can use both techniques, whatever works for you. Okay, so here, 10 plus 4. Try it out. Got it? You think? So 10 plus 4, counting on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I could say 14. Or I could line up my 1s and line up my 10s. So 0 plus 4, well 4 plus 0 is still 4. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is good. 10 plus 2, so 10 I can count on by 2, 10, 11, 12. That's nice and easy. So I'm just going to do that. If you find an easy way, just do the easy way. So the counting on technique seems pretty helpful here. I can say for the next one 12 plus 3 I can count on by 3, so 12, 13, 14, 15. That's an easy counting on one. I'm going to use counting on for 16 as well. So 16 plus 3 you count on. 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. If you found 19, well done. Okay, 14 plus 3, try counting on. 14, 15, 16, 17. There you go, counting on by 3. You should get to 17. Okay, this one we're not going to do counting on because it's too far. 12 and 5. Counting on by 5, I mean, it's doable, but it's not the best. I think probably you can do a little bit better. Let's line up the 1s with the 1s. So what's 5 plus 2? Actually, here you can count on. 5, 6, 7, right? So 5 plus 2 is... So we'll write the 7 down, and then you got a 1 that's just hanging out here. 17. Right, good. The next one, okay, try it out. So 17 plus 1. It's the number right after 17. If you got 18, you got it right. 12 plus 4. Go for it. Either counting on or you do 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2. 2 more than 4 is 6. You can use your counting on for that. And then 1 plus 0, because in the tens now there's no tens for 4, so it's 16. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. So you can do 7 plus 0 in the ones. So 7 plus 0 is 7, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. Then here, let's line up the ones and line up the tens. 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8, and then you still got a 1 here. Good. All right. So I hope I didn't go too fast on that last two, but you can always try them again. Make sure that you get them. So just a quick thing here. If counting on is the easy way to go, then just do that. If it's too far because you're adding like 4, 5, 6, or 7, then maybe just line up the ones and line up the tens. And then later you'll have to do things like 12 plus 14, where there'll be something in the tens as well to add up. So it's a good idea to start learning that now. Yeah, so when you line it up nicely, it's not too difficult. I hope this was useful. This is like an introduction to addition. So you could say this is addition level 1. There'll be a lot of addition videos that we're going to put out for you. So make sure that you look at the progression with the additions. So addition level 1 will be for grade 1, but then when you have some really big numbers added together, that'll be for like grades 4, 5, 6. Okay, so anyway, make sure that you like the channel, make sure that you follow us, make sure that you subscribe and support the channel so you can learn more mathematics for your school. Really appreciate you being here today and giving me your beautiful attention, and wishing you a very nice day. See you later.